Xiaomi's Poco F1 phone threatens a price war. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so this is the type of stuff that I love to see in the news about phones, about technology. It's just awesome over here. It's just awesome what these Chinese OEMs are doing. So it says Xiaomi's Poco F1 phone threatens a price war. Now this is from BBC.com. If you guys would like to read this by yourselves, you guys can go ahead and go in the link in the description down below. But a huge shout out to them for providing the source. Now it says Xiaomi has unveiled a smartphone with high-end features at a budget price under a new brand. It says the Poco F1 features the latest Snapdragon chip, a larger than normal 4000 mAh battery, and up to 8 GB of RAM, matching Samsung's Galaxy Note 9 in those specifications. So I actually watched a few videos on this and looked up some other information on this phone, and it looks like there is going to be a 6 GB version and an 8 GB version. If we go ahead and scroll down here, that the 6 GB version and 64 GB of internal storage is going to be $300. Now that is absolutely crazy. It also says we have an 8 GB version down here. It says we get 8 GB of RAM, and it looks like we have a little bit more storage and a synthetic fiber back. That's gonna cost $430 US. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the picture right here. This is awesome. This is what excites me about the smartphone industry, you know, and these Chinese OEMs. You know, you have the top dogs, Apple, Samsung, LG, releasing these phones at these prices, and everybody's gonna buy them because they're pretty much, I mean, I guess most of all reputable brands. You know, people like them because they're popular. It's a status symbol for a lot of other people. And you know, Samsung does have very premium products. Apple does have very premium products. Their screens are nice. You know, especially on the Galaxy Note 9, one of the best screens I have ever seen on a device before, probably the best screen you can get at a flagship phone. But the kind of phone that I'm looking for is not an $1,100 phone. Like, I don't really want to spend $1,100 in a phone. I already told you guys that I didn't want to spend $1,100 on the Note 9, and I actually, you know, sent out a poll, and about 1,000 people actually told me, yeah, don't waste your money on the Galaxy Note 9. So this is probably the phone that I'm going to pick up. Well, I am definitely going to pick this up because it looks like it is going to be GSM. So it looks like we can use this in the United States. Now, the crazy thing about this phone is it's actually going to have the Snapdragon 845, and that's the same processor that we actually saw in the Note 9. So we have the latest processor inside of here, and we actually get the 8 GB version as well as the 6 GB version that the Note 9 was releasing. Now, I know a lot of people were saying that the Poco F1 wasn't trying to clap back at the Note 9, but I don't know. Same type of battery and same type of RAM inside the device. I don't know, guys. What do you guys think? Definitely tell me in the comments down below. But you guys really should check out this article. Now, the basic model of the Poco F1, again, which has 6 GB of RAM and 64 GB of internal storage, $300. And it says the top end version with a synthetic fiber back and more RAM and storage is $430. Tell me what you guys want me to do down below. I'm definitely going to pick up probably both of these versions, and I'm probably going to give one away. But what do you guys think about this? This is super exciting to me. I love to see these flagship spec phones that are just spec'd out. Okay, so the thing I actually have to talk about really quick before I end this video out is that it looks like the places that are taking the hit where it comes into specifications, because they're putting the top specifications, keep in mind, on these devices. It looks like where they're taking the hit on the Poco F1 is number one, the body, but it looks like we get a synthetic fiber back on the top end version, as it says right there. But it looks like we're getting a hit on the body, so we're not really going to see any premium metal on the back or aluminum or whatever it is on the back. And second of all, actually a huge shout out to Mr. Who's the Boss. I actually saw his video and he said the screen isn't the best, but it's actually very, very good for the price, and he could stand it. Like, he absolutely would use it on a daily basis. So, you know, the screen and the body. So if we're talking about the hardware, it's not going to have the greatest top-end hardware that Apple and Samsung has, but honestly, it's going to be better than most mid-range devices, better than budget devices, and we're going to have these hop specifications inside of this device. I know I said this 3 times, but definitely tell me what you guys think in the comments down below. I am freaking like flabbergasted by this. Honestly, tell me what you guys think in the comments down below, what you guys want me to do with this phone. Also, if you guys still want me to pick up the Note 9, I might still pick up the Note 9. I'm not sure. But yeah, this has been Safan from TechRight. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like down below, as well as subscribing if you guys are not a part of the tech gang already. Also, hit that notification bell if you guys want to be notified every time I do upload a new video. This has been Safan from TechRight. Peace out, tech gang.